Hey, this is Aaron with SimpleTix. In this video, I'm going to show you our new ClassPass feature. This is useful if you have one event with multiple times and you want people to have a quick way of registering for all the time slots with one order. All right, let's dive in. All right, so here's an example of an event. It's a rowing event. If I click Buy Tickets, what I'll see is this calendar view where I can, select tickets for each day individually. And unfortunately right now that means one order for each time. That's gonna be time consuming, right? No pun intended. So what I'll do right now is I'll show you our ClassPass feature, which will be a really great way where people can buy the tickets for all of your different events with one order. All right, so to do that, in the manager panel, actually you might have to ask SimpleTix to enable ClassPass for you if you haven't done that already. But once it's enabled, on the left-hand side, when you're at the update event page, you'll see ClassPass on the left-hand side. All right, so what I'll do right now is I'll copy over my title. All right, so I'm clicking ClassPass, and now I'll choose the option to create a new ClassPass. I'll call it rowing. We can judge up the title and call it rowing on Saturdays or something like that. And give it a teaser, so I'll put in some text there, and then like a description, which is like all about like rowing. If you want to put like anything in here, like a video or anything like that, you could also do it as well. All right, so I'll paste in some sample lorem ipsum text just to fill in that page a little bit better. And it's active by default. Now let's put in an event image for this ClassPass. So I'll drop in an image right now, drop it in just like that, click on done, and now I'll click next here. All right, now I'll select all the dates. So these are pretty much all the dates, and you're good to go. Now, if you had multiple ticket types, you'd want to look at which one specifically you have in here, but you only have one ticket type, you're good to go here. I'll click Save. And now we're creating the ClassPass. All right, now it's created. Let's take a look at our ClassPass. So I'll go to this URL right now, and I'll open it up in a new tab. And here it is. It says Rowing on Saturdays. We use the same as the subtitle or the description, so you can that can be different if you'd like. And here's all the details for the ClassPass. So I'll click Register now. And as you notice, they're all pre-selected for us. So I can grab all every single Saturday of the entire series of this rowing with one order and click Checkout now. And so with one order, clicking Checkout, filling out the checkout page, I've booked them all at once. After you create this new ClassPass, we're going to send you an email right away, and it's going to give you a link to this ClassPass, so how you can use it. We'll give you two different URLs in that email, and one of the URLs is going to look like this one right here, where you get a page that's more zoomed in, so people can click that link and get the list of all the times without having to click that extra register URL. So before, one URL is they'll have to click here, register, and after they click it, then they get a little pop-up where they can do it. Or the other one might be more easier for you. Basically, when they click that link, they'll get a list of all the different times right there and then. So that might be a better option for you. So you have two different ways at the presentation level where people can order these ClassPass. All right, thanks for watching. Bye now.